Alrighty, this is room 5088 on Margaritaville Paradise. It is an Oceanview room, as you can see here. Upon entering the door, you have all your instructions, and we have a closet. Here's where you can see there's a little wear and tear. There's the main switch for how you control your lights. Your thermostat will be over here as well. And let's see. The closet, the doors slide like so. Slide back and forth. Oops, versus being pulled out. I gotta switch this one to. There we go. There is a robe in here, but I don't know if that's supposed to come with it or what. The cabinet with your life vest, and there's enough for me. Drawers. Won't be using, but that's the drawers. There is a cooler here. Could use some wipe it out, but it's here if you need it. It's not super cold. It does have ice back there, so I guess it is supposed to keep things cold. A ledge here, and shout out to Margaritaville. I guess if that marketing, if you decide you want a bottle of wine in the middle of the night, you can go ahead and do that. Here's a vanity with a chair or stool. Lovely art on the back walls. Comfy chair there with a nice back. I think that's some things that cruise lines have stopped doing, is making sure you have a comfy chair in your room that has a back to it. I will say I like the carpet colors, but it's going to be hard for them to maintain the cleanliness of these carpets with that cream color. The bed is comfortable. Decent sized TV. That's my whole government information. And then here is, put some things up here if you want to, ledge. And we are currently in port, but you get to see from this building, or this room, the Margarita Sea building. Just discovered these charging ports here. This is room 5088 on Margaritaville at Sea. So this is Seeing with C. Thanks for traveling with me. I just gave you a lovely room tour. If you want to book something like this, hit me up at seeingwithc@gmail.com, and I'll be more than happy to accommodate you should Margaritaville be something that you want to try out or interested in. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.